Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. The Jamaican dollar closed at its strongest value in 5 months today. That as trading ended with the US dollar selling for $134.74, the lowest it has been since July 9. The Canadian dollar, however, made gains, closing the day at $102.10. The pound ended at $175.95, while the euro costs $151.56. Interventions in the foreign exchange market in November contributed to a decline in the net international reserves. Now, the Bank of Jamaica published data showing the NIR fell by $75 million in the month. At the end of November, the reserves were valued at $3.58 billion, which was enough to purchase 33 weeks of imports. The Wissinger Group says it's planning to push more into the export market as it concentrates on showing its product portfolio. The company made the announcement at its annual general meeting on Thursday. Dashan Hendricks reports.
This year has been a remarkable year on many fronts.
That statement from the Wissinger Group Chairman William Afood addressing shareholders at the company's annual general meeting on Thursday. The year ended with Wissinger posting record revenues of $28 billion, helped by strategic partnerships with local brands.
We had partnerships which we concretized with Worthy Park in St. Catherine, which now makes Wissinger the largest distributor of sugar in Jamaica. And we also concretized in the final part of our financial year, we cemented a partnership where your company acquired 30% of Jamaica producer Snack Division, and that you will see the increased revenues that have come to the company from both of these partnerships.
They resulted in profits also reaching a record just under $3 billion. Now the company, which makes less than 2% of its revenues from the export market, is looking to boost that area, and it wants to do so with one of its newest products.
The sparkling cranberry water has been an incredible addition by our R&D team. It's a product that, it has real global potential.
Now Wissinger makes 60% of its money from its own brand products, while 16% is made from products made under license. The rest are products which are imported and resold. It's hoping that its push with its new sparkling cran water into the international market will see it earning more from exports.
The price of oil settled higher today. At the end of trading, a barrel of West Texas Intermediate crude was up 77 cents at $59.20 per barrel. For the week, it is up 7%. Now, stock trading ended today with the JSE index losing 860 points, while the junior market fell by 14. Among the winners were Iron Rock Insurance, Mailpack, SSL Venture Capital, JMMB Group, and Access Financial Services. On the losing side were Express Catering, Blue Power Group, Mayberry Jamaica, Equities, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, and Seprod. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.